Well, Dylan, here's your small block Ford. Just got done dynoing. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got the Pulley M Manifold. Obviously, it's EFI. Fuel management's done by the Terminator X. Great system. It's got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers, custom pistons. Obviously, it's got the March serpentine belt set up front. Make sure the alternator outputs for you. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 488 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 520. Peaks horsepower 519. We rated it at 520. It's got a front end that's about 15, so runs good. That's kind of due to the EFI manifold. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, and have a great New Year's.